In this video, I'm gonna answer the question on, do I need BVN to borrow money from Palmpay? So basically, Palmpay is not actually rolling out loan for some certain people who doesn't meet up with some certain criteria. So once you log into your Palmpay app right there, you're gonna see loan and finance option down below. Just click on the loan option, then you see this page just like this. So if you have been able to borrow money before, you'll be able to see that under your flexi cash loan. Then you can see how you can also repay in 3 times. So once you click on the payment, so it's gonna show you this option right there. But as far as I can tell, the current update with opay with Palmpay now is that you cannot borrow money without you imputing your BVN inside the app. So this BVN will definitely allow them to know if you're a real person, and of course to upgrade your account to some certain limit on Palmpay app. So if you have been asking, how do I need BVN to borrow money from Palmpay, I will say you need BVN. And as long as you don't have any bad intention about the platform, you don't have anything to worry about, you can borrow money by inputting your BVN on the app, and nothing is going to happen to your account as long as you are ready to pay back the money you borrow from the platform. So you are very good to go and borrow money from Palmpay.